Hello all and welcome to Sprout Plus. This is your host Emmanuel, and today we're going to talk about W3 Total Cache plugin, and I'm going to explain you step by step how the plugin works and all. So without further ado, let's get started. I've already installed my plugin, so I'll go to plugin and I'll go to install plugins, and there it is. W3 Total Cache has been installed already. In case if you want to know how to install the plugin, all you have to do is click on add new, and in the search box enter W3 Total Cache. Here is the plugin, and all you have to do is click on install over here, and after you install it, all you have to do is click on activate and your plugin will be active. I'll go back to installed plugins now. So here it is. W3 Total Cache is available for me. And what I'll do is, now after installing Total Cache, there will be a new tab added over here called Performance, and under Performance I'm going to click on General Settings. So in this General Settings, I have to enable Page Cache, and then Page Cache method I have to choose Disk Enhanced method, which is a great method for page caching. So all I have to do is click on Save All Settings. Once I enable the page cache, the next I'm gonna look at is Minify, and I will enable Minify. And here there is a warning, and it says what is minification, and yes, I do understand what is minification, and I will click on this. Please select Minify Cache method as disk method. Okay, and then save all settings. And once you do that, you can scroll down, and once you scroll down, you can see database cache over here. You enable that also, and the method is disk again. I'm going to click on save all settings. Alright, now I will again scroll down, and as you can see, the browser cache is already enabled, so not a problem. In case if you use CDN, which means Content Delivery Network, I would recommend you using that, and you have to click on enable that too. Okay, there are many CDNs available, and you can choose Max CDN, which I highly recommend. And all I'm going to do is save all settings. Everything is pretty much done here. And here under user experience area, please click on lazy load images, and then click on disable emoji, disable a WP embed script, disable jQuery migrate on the front end, and save all settings. I'll scroll down again to look at any other options they give me, and under fragment cache, please select disk and save all settings. Again, I'm going to scroll down. In case if you upgrade your W3 Total Cache plugin, you can enter your license key here and use the premium features as well. And that's pretty much it. Everything is done. I'm going to click on save all settings. So that's pretty much it. This is how we configure W3 Total Cache plugin for our WordPress website. In case if you have any queries, please feel free to comment and we'll be happy to help. And thanks for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one.